Hey everyone, it's Anna here at Dee's, and today I have a gorgeous teal berry swag kit for you. This swag kit can be used so many different ways, whether you twist it onto a grapevine, a magnolia wreath. You could even make it as its own swag that you could hang on the door as is, hang it on your mailbox, your lamppost, or even lay it on your mantle. Today I'm going to make it up though, show you it twisted onto the grapevine, kind of show you how you could tuck it into maybe a bookcase, and then show you it twisted onto the magnolia wreath as well. So we started out with this beautiful leaf stem, just a traditional kind of looking leaf. I fluffed it all up, and then right on top of that I added in this really pretty mixed stem. So this one needs a little bit more fluffing than the leaves. There's not a lot you can do to fluff a leaf. But on this one, everything is wired and it's got all these different textures. It's got pods, it's got little berries, eucalyptus, all kinds of stuff. So I always like to bring one branch kind of down, chop off the stem, and then I'm gonna lay it right back on top of those leaves. And then I do need to chop the leaf stem too, I forgot to do that. So I'm gonna do that. And then lastly, we've got these gorgeous teal berries. These are so beautiful and they're waterproof, which is really nice. So they're not gonna pop on your front door. I'm just gonna chop off the tags, chop off the stem, and then lay it right on top of that as well. So same thing, berries are a little bit trickier to fluff, like leaves. You don't have to do a lot to them. They just look good as is. So I'm gonna lay that right there in the middle. How pretty is this coloring? Wait till you see the ribbon that goes with this, that ties in that teal. So pretty. So it's kind of becomes all its own little piece here, which is perfect to add on to stuff. So lantern, you could kind of flip it upside down. Grapevine, like I'm gonna do, it fills in really nicely. This would be perfect for double doors. Maybe you have 2 doors and you wanna do something really inexpensive. This is a nice way to decorate 2 wreaths, hang them mirror images on your front door. So I'm gonna set this aside. I'm gonna tie my bow. You guys, the ribbons are so beautiful. We've got, first up, this orange kind of creamy buffalo check, runs on a diagonal. We've got this really pretty color, welcome. It's ivory writing, but it's a nice, like kind of darker, rusty burlap color. And then check out this plaid, you guys. It is stunning. It is turquoise. It has orange running through it, a little bit of brown and white. How pretty is that? I love it. I think it's gonna look so nice with those berries. So we're gonna start out with that plaid first. And we're gonna make a couple loops. Next up, we're gonna do the welcome. We're just gonna do 1 loop of that. What's nice about that too is then you can really read it on the writing where it says welcome. And then lastly, we're gonna add that orange diagonal buffalo. Let's do a couple loops of that one as well. Tie that with your wire, and then that same wire you're tying off your bow with is going to be the wire you use to hold all those stems together. So tie it. This is just like the swag kits that I've made for every season. It's just got 1 more stem in it, 3 stems, so it makes it a little bigger and fuller. If you like your designs to be fuller and fill up a little bit more of the wreath, then definitely just add another stem to it. I'm just grabbing all 3 of those stems at one time, laid my bow on there, and I'm just going to twist it on. And now I'm going to twist it onto my grapevine, kind of show you what we've got. I definitely just smashed that bow. We're going to fluff it back out. It is wired. There's no worries with that. Wired ribbon is made for that reason. Twist it onto your grapevine. The other thing that's so nice about these swag kits, you guys, is that you can twist them off. So you can use this grapevine so many times because you just buy a different swag kit, maybe for Halloween or Valentine's Day, and then you're able to just twist off the design. It's not all glued into your wreath and making a mess. So now I'm just taking a little bit of time to fluff everything, chop those ends, pull some leaves and berries back in front of that bow. There's that beautiful plaid. It's a nice quality too. It's just so pretty. Put the other side over there. Cut this one. It's kind of flying out there. All right, and here's 1 more. All right, so how pretty is it on the grapevine? It fills in really nicely. Again, double doors would be perfect. Really pretty. You can do it a bunch of different ways. So say you don't want it on the left side, you want it kind of up. Look how cute that is. You can do it so many different ways. So I'm also going to show it to you on this magnolia wreath that I love. This harvest magnolia wreath is available up on shopdeeslittle.com plain. and it is gorgeous. I twisted this on here so good, I gotta untwist it. All right, next up, this magnolia wreath, you guys, fills up a door really well. This is fluffed, all pretty. It's got pine cones, it's got all kinds of stuff. But look how gorgeous that this would be just added onto this wreath. Just pick a spot, kind of tuck it in there. Again, double doors, stunning. If you have a huge front door, really make a statement. That turquoise pops up against the green. So pretty. I love it on there too. So there's a lot of things you can do with the turquoise berry swag. It's available up on shopdeezelville.com. Lay it on your mantle, tie it on the flagpole, all different stuff. Head on over there and grab yourself one today.